Welcome back to Fruits and Vegetables channel, health enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting topic lined up for you, the incredible health benefits of moringa. Moringa, also known as the miracle tree, is a plant that has been used for centuries due to its numerous health benefits. So, let's dive right in. The content is not intended to be used as a substitute for professional medical diagnosis, advice, or treatment. Please always seek the advice of a physician or other qualified health provider with all questions that you have related to or about a medical condition. Before we discuss the health benefits, let's learn a little about moringa itself. Moringa is a tree native to parts of Asia and Africa. Every part of this tree, from the leaves to the seeds, has valuable health properties. It's no wonder it's gaining popularity worldwide. So, let's start with the first benefit. Benefit number 1: managing blood sugar levels. Moringa helps manage blood sugar levels. Research has shown that moringa leaves may have anti-diabetic properties, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. It may also enhance insulin secretion and improve insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Benefit number 2: supporting brain health. Moringa supports brain health. Studies suggest that moringa leaves may have neuroprotective effects, which means they can help protect our brain from damage and degeneration. The presence of antioxidants and compounds like quercetin and camphorol in moringa may contribute to improved cognitive function and memory. Benefit number 3: boosting immunity. Moringa boosts our immune system. Thanks to its high vitamin C content, moringa enhances our body's defense mechanisms, helping us fight off infections and illnesses. Additionally, it contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that contribute to overall improved immunity. Benefit number 4: nutrient powerhouse. Moringa is a nutrient powerhouse. It's rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. The leaves, in particular, are packed with vitamins A, C, and E, which are known for their antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Benefit number 5: enhancing skin and hair health. Moringa enhances skin and hair health. Moringa oil, derived from the seeds, is highly nutritious and moisturizing. It's packed with antioxidants and vitamins that nourish the skin and protect it from environmental damage. Applying moringa oil to the hair can also promote strength and luster. Benefit number 6: promoting digestive health. Moringa promotes digestive health. The leaves of moringa contain fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. It can also alleviate digestive issues such as constipation and bloating. Moringa leaves have even been used traditionally as a natural remedy for stomach ulcers. Wow, those are some impressive health benefits of moringa. But before we conclude, let's quickly touch upon a few other benefits worth mentioning. Moringa has anti-inflammatory properties, making it useful for reducing inflammation and associated symptoms. It may also support heart health by lowering cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. Some studies suggest that moringa may even have anti-cancer properties, although more research is needed to confirm this. And that brings us to the end of our discussion on the health benefits of moringa. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our channel for more exciting and healthy ideas. Don't forget to leave a comment below, letting us know how you are taking care of your health with moringa. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.
Hey!